When you look at a business that wants to start doing cold calling, what are some numbers? What are some metrics you look at to make sure that it's going to be it's going to make sense for them to actually do it? When you look at return on time, return on investment.
Great question. And one thing I want to mention is, when I started calling, it was before the internet hit. All right. So when cold calling truly was cold calling. All right. I mean, I remember the days when you say to people, "Hey, I can send you an email," and they go, "Oh, you're kidding me! You can do that." So that's the environment in which I learned. And I guess my point is that the window in which calling is economically viable certainly has closed over the years or the decades since I have been doing this. And today, the companies where it's more economically viable is, first of all, you mentioned a higher margin profit service. So right away, that is one of the things you look at. And you look for recurring revenue. So in your business, people sign on, I'm assuming, for a monthly service or annually or so forth. So if you've got high margins and you have a subscription multiple purchase business, that makes it possible for you to do appointment setting. I throw like commercial cleaning, for an example, that people might relate to. Fits into that. People need it. They're looking for changes. When they sign on, they're going to stick with you for 6 months, 15 months or more.
Right.
That works out. The other thing is very high-ticket items where, another sort of hot market is all sorts of different types of consulting businesses where, you market, there might be very high-ticket items, so it's cost-effective to go directly at those executives in the companies that might write those, multi-million-dollar checks. Or if you have a profitable market, and there's only a small pool. I mean, I work with some companies where, hey, they may only have 300 or 400 buyers in the world that are real. So in all of those circumstances, either high margin, repetitive purchases, high ticket items, or where there's a very small concentrated pool, and let's add to this, where traditional marketing or online marketing doesn't get to them quick enough. So, again, I'm not saying that it's better than anything else, but sometimes you just don't want to wait, or to use your term, you want to go right at them, and those are the people that can use appointment setting successfully today. So the broad range, those are the things that I look for.
Got it. Okay. And I guess we'll dive right into the list then at that point.